Imagine walking into a building where the air feels fresher, the light more natural, and the environment soothes your senses. This isn't a futuristic fantasy. It's the power of biophilic design. By integrating natural elements into architecture, biophilic design not only enhances aesthetic appeal, but also boosts property values and occupants' well-being. The concept is rooted in our innate connection to nature, known as biophilia, suggesting that humans thrive when surrounded by natural elements. Studies have shown that incorporating features such as natural lighting, indoor plants, and water elements can reduce stress, increase productivity, and improve overall mental health. From a financial perspective, properties employing biophilic design can command higher market values. A building that promotes wellness attracts discerning buyers and tenants willing to pay a premium for the benefits of improved quality of life. Notable examples include Amazon's Spheres in Seattle, where employees enjoy a rainforest-like environment, boosting creativity and satisfaction. As urban areas expand, the demand for nature-infused spaces grows, presenting a lucrative opportunity for investors. By embracing biophilic design, you're not just investing in real estate. You're investing in a healthier, more sustainable future. As awareness spreads, those ahead of the curve stand to gain the most, reaping rewards both financially and personally.